So of course one of the first things we had to try building with this is a thermometer. So there you got a dial indication, you got a temperature as a decimal display, status comfort, minimum 20. Now I've had it up at 36 degrees C, so it's got a minimum and maximum tracking. So if I take a blowtorch and I warm it up briefly, there you can see the temperature go up. So that is turning out to be very useful. You can make some very pretty stuff using this display. So as always, the code for this is in the pinned comment. You're going to have a copy of it for yourself to play with when you get yourself one of these screens. That's it. There's our first little project using this display. So awesome, very good. Ladies and gentlemen, have an awesome day further, and I'll be seeing you next time for more awesome stuff. So take care. Alright, bye.